5 Best Multimeters. Here is the product number 5. DT830B Multimeter LCD Auto Range. Feature: material plastic metal. Color yellow, black. 3 1/2 digits, 7 segment, 0.5 inches high LCD, max. Reading of 1999. 6 functions, most popular 19 ranges digital multimeter. Voltage DC, voltage AC, current DC. Small and compact design. Here is the product number 4. LCD Digital Multimeter Tester. The digital multimeter is a practical tool for electrician use. It is easy to operate and the readings indicated directly on the screen. It can be used to overhaul all kinds of circuit boards. Battery, 9 volts, battery not include. Designed for perfect fit. Fuse protection, F200 mA/250 volts. Here is the product number 3. RICHMETERS 102 Multimeter. RICHMETERS 102 Multimeter 6000 counts backlight AC/DC ammeter voltmeter ohm frequency diode temperature. Brand name RICHMETERS. Operating mode double integral A/D converter. DIY supplies electrical. Display type digital display. Model number RM102. Dimensions: 65 by 130 by 32. Here is the product number 2. RM101 Digital Multimeter 6000 counts. It is a auto-ranging digital multimeter using double integral style A/D transform as the core. Can be used to measure AC/DC voltage, IC/DC current, resistance, capacitance, diodes and continuity testing, temperature, frequency and etc. Large screen display, the maximum of 6000 words. Automatic shutdown. LCD display. Here is the product number 1. ANENG XL830L Digital Multimeter. Features: this heavy-duty general-purpose multimeter features a clear, easy-to-read LCD display, with blue backlight. Low battery voltage indication. Portable and compact design. Data hold function and diode test facility. Measures AC and DC voltage, DC current, resistance, audible continuity, diode, transistor verification mode. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.